Hello coders? Let's get started with uCode.ai. Sign up with your email, name, and password. An email verification code will be sent. Please collect your verification code and complete the registration process. Log in with your email and password. Let's create a new project. From the left menu, click on the My Project link and press the New button. New project form will open. Give a title for your project. Enter project namespace like net.yourdomain. Then the project name, which must be without space and special character. Select your database. In our beta release, we support MongoDB, PostgreSQL, and MySQL. Select your REST API framework. In our beta release, we support Node.js and Java Spring Boot. REST will be available soon. Select Web UI for your front end. We support Vue.js and Next.js and Next TypeScript. REST will be available soon. Mobile UI is still under development. You can left this option blank. Press the Save button. A new project will be created and it will redirect you to a new page. By default, a user table will be created which will be used for user management, for example, user registration and login. We have successfully created a new project with a default table. In your next video, we will show you how to add data model and tables in your project.